Have you ever thought of why you keep on blaming the government for problems around you, and yes, still nothing changes? Each and every day you keep putting your burdens on the government, and yes, still nothing is changing about you. It's definitely because you have decided not to change, and you think your success should be brought out by someone, or someone in power, or someone who is a leader, and then you keep on blaming them for not making you successful, and then you think you being successful is dependent on a government or a leader in your community, or someone that has been put in charge of your community or your environment. It's definitely not true, because you do not put your problems on somebody, or you do not put things that you have to do to make yourself successful, or to make you great, or to make you a better man. You do not put those problems on somebody and complain on, put your burdens on that person, that person is not doing well. It may be true that maybe our government is not serving us well, your leaders are not serving you well, someone in power is not serving you well, but when they are out, you are on your own. When they are not around, you are on your own. So you do not put your problems, or you do not complain so much about what someone is not doing right. That person has the power, and that person is doing what he's doing. So what you are going to say does not really affect the person. That's why they do. People in government or people in authority do not really respond to your claims, or they not really respond to your complaints about certain things, because you also have the chance, you also have the guts, you also have the authority to go into yourself and go all out to start doing something that is going to make you great, that's going to make you successful, and that will not make you complain about what they do. Sometimes we think that our success is in the hands of someone, and we cannot be great on our own, or we cannot start doing something that is going to make us great, and our success is solely dependent on people in power, and they are the ones that are supposed to hold our hands firmly and take us through to the trouble land, or to the land of war, through to the success land, or to the land of peace, to the land of success. And that place you go and enjoy with them. And no one on this earth is willing to do that, despite or in spite of his power. No one is going to hold your hands through the dark path to the light path. No one is going to do that. They all have their own problems. Someone that you think is great, or someone you think is your leader, also have his own problems. And if you are also going to put your problems, or you are going to charge your problems to that person is going to find a way to skip that, or escape your problems. So if you think you have a problem, and then you are putting it, or you are complaining, or you are burdening it on your leaders, please stop. You also have the chance to start doing what can help you, or start doing what can be beneficial to you, and can also give you good results, such that you are not going to complain about. Actually, complain is something that I hate personally. Complain. I hate someone that likes to complain so much. I do not want to complain so much. What you do, I just ignore and do my thing. If you are the type that complains too much, you are never going to see success, or your success is really going to be delayed, unless you see that complaining is something that will not going to yield you better results in the future. You think when you complain too much, it's going to trigger those people in power, or it's going to bring some great results for you in the future. Or when you do not complain about something, you are not going to have the good results you desire. So when something happens that is bad, go all out and complain. Tell them your problems. If you don't tell them your problems, they will never know your problems and do it for you. Please put your problems aside. Put your problems in your head. Put your problems in your heart. Let it be your intentions. Let it be your reason that you are going to be successful. Let your problems be with you, and be the reason why you are going all out to be a creative person, to have something that is going to yield you results in the future, yield you good results in the future, to be productive, that you are going to have greater revenues in the future. Let those problems that you complain about be the reason why you are going to go all out to be successful, to be rich. Let those problems that you face, let that camera that you don't have, that microphone that you don't have, that light, that fancy video equipment that you do not have. Let that be the reason why you use your mobile phone to film a video and post. Let your problems or your insecurities or the thing that you think is not helping you get the traction that you want or the extent that you want to get to in life, let that be the reason, let that be the pain, let that be the reason why you are going or out to start doing something. And that is going to trigger you so much to do it and do it to the end, to push the boat and push it to the end of the sea, and going to see light at the end of the sea. My name is Joseph Edu. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to your friends, because your friend also need to hear this information, and put down your comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'm out.